Right now, hindi lang yung presyo ng crudo pinag-uusapan dito. There might be security issues. Di ba? Sapagkat marami rin tayong oo. Marami rin tayong iba't ibang mga relationship with the United States, with Israel, with other countries. No? So, dapat talagang basta tingin pinakamaganda, close monitoring. We should be very vigilant about what's happening in the Middle East.
Possible.
Hindi naman siguro, medyo malayo naman tayo. Wala naman siguro tayong wala tayong masamang tinapay sa Iran. Diba? So, hopefully not. Medyo may kalayuan naman tayo sa kanila, pagdating niya sa party niya. But then again, no, talaga naman we are reviewing already the possibility of the BFA, di ba? Or yung iba pang kasunduan natin sa United States. Pinag-uusapan naman talaga ng national government. I think we should, even without this, kahit kung wala ito, di ba? Pinag-uusapan naman talaga yan. I think the national government should be more concerned. Dapat wala tayong relationship with any of this, no? Like US or whatever, or China, para hindi tayo ma-affected. Hindi pwede. No man is an island. Oh yes, the Philippines has thousands of islands, but pagdating sa global economy, we can never be alone.